Okay. So energy band in solid, energy band diagram, metal semiconductor and insulator, tensonic semiconductor, electrons and holes, doping of semiconductor, external semiconductor, N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor. So last class we discussed PN junction forward bias and PN junction reverse bias. So already forward bias completed. In forward bias, positive terminal is connected to positive, negative terminal is connected to negative of the PN junction. Then it is act as a forward bias. In forward bias, the depression layer it is decreasing. Next, reverse bias means the positive side of PN junction is connected to negative terminal of the battery, and N negative is connected to positive. So like that it is connected means it is called as extrinsic reverse bias, PN junction reverse bias. So last class all the points discussed I informed to write the classwork also. So kindly write the classwork. It is important also all the points. See here, when the positive terminal of the battery is connected to P region and the negative side, that is the negative terminal is connected to N region, then the PN junction diode is said to be forward bias. See the diagram also, ma. So this is a positive, this is negative. Positive is connected to P. So P refers to positive. And N, it is the negative. So negative is connected to negative, positive is connected to positive. So next one, reverse bias. So reverse bias, the negative terminal of the battery is connected to P region. That is a positive. And the positive terminal is connected to N region. It is a positive. It is connected to N region. N means what? Negative. Then plus and minus, it will attract each other. No, for the attraction purpose, actually, so this is the potential barrier range. This is two dot. After connection, battery, the depletion layer, it is increasing. Why means plus and minus attract each other. In this area also plus and minus attract each other. But attraction purpose, the depletion layer or depletion region, it is increasing. It's a very important keyword. Whenever you write the PN junction forward bias, reverse bias, you want to mention diagram related. After the diagram, it is a how we are saying it is a forward bias. Next related to potential barrier and the depletion layer. These are you want to mention. Okay, listen. See here, the hole in P region are attracted by the negative terminal of the battery, and the free electron are attracted by the positive terminal of the battery. That is the attraction phenomena. The majority carrier pulled away from the region. So majority carrier in this one, which is majority carrier, it is a pulled up. What is the majority carrier? Positive also there, negative also there. It is pulled away from the junction. The potential barrier and the width of the depletion region increases. Very, very important. The potential barrier and the width of the depletion region is increases. So therefore, it becomes more difficult to majority carrier diffuse across the junction. So remainder also some electrons are there. For example, this is 100. So before Pn positive side 100 holes it is there, and negative side 150 electrons it is there. During the PN junction making time, 50. So what is the remainder here? Here 50 it is there. In this area 100 it is there. In these 50 holes, again I am sending to electrons now. In this electron it is balancing. So balancing means what happens? The range, the PN junction, the potential barrier and the depletion layer, the range is increasing. So up to here, already 50, this is for 100 point. So this is for 100 points. Then remainder electrons it is now. So 50, this is 50. So remainder 50 electrons it is there. In this 50 electrons, it's difficult to move negative to positive. It is more difficult. It is away from the potential barrier. The given temperature of the rate of generation of minority carrier is constant. The resulting current is constant irrespective of the applied voltage. For the reason the current is a reverse saturation current. Reverse saturation current means after some time it will increase the current. It will allow small milliampere. Okay, 10 power minus 9 ampere. That is the nano or milliampere amount of current it will allow. So that current is called as reverse saturation current. The reverse bias PN junction diode has the effective capacitance called transition or depletion capacitance. PN region act as the plate of the capacitor and the depletion region act as a dielectric medium. Last class we studied Noma in chapter number 2. Capacitor. So capacitor means conducting plate, two conducting plate separated by a small distance. The conducting plate like this is a positive, this is negative. But in between gap, it will act as a dielectric medium. So this is also important key point. Next one. For this diagram, no need ma. In your book diagram, you can follow. This diagram, no need. In your NCERT textbook, one diagram it is that one you can follow. The diode has a forward characteristics. PN junction forward characteristics. See, this is a positive. This is negative. Now, so this is negative. This is positive. In reverse bias, the current it is a milliampere. Sorry, microampere. For forward bias, the current is a milliampere. MA, that is a milliampere. Mu A, that is a microampere. Now we go for the graph. In physics lab, PN junction, forward bias, reverse bias. One device it is there. That is a kit. I will tell you 1 minute. Now this is voltmeter. The range starts from 0, 15, 30. And the current, this is 0, this is 15, this is 30. Now in this regulator, I'm just increasing the voltage slowly. For example, 0 is point wise 0.1, actually 0.2, 0.3, like that. Slowly I'm increasing the voltage. Then I'm observing what happened in the ammeter. The ammeter value, see here, that is 0. Now refer the graph. 0, 0.1, 0.3, up to there is no difference. Next, 0.5, slightly it is increasing. After 0.5, up to 2, this is a 2. Up to 2, the range is different. Suddenly it is increasing. After there is no variation. For example, 5 it is increasing linearly. Linearly means next also for in between. This is 5. And I'm x-axis also 5, y-axis also 5. Next, this is 10, and this is also 10. So like that, linearly increasing. That suddenly that changes it is called as knee voltage, VA, for the forward bias. Very important. This one is the forward bias. This is forward bias, VI characteristics. VI means voltage and the current characteristics. Forward bias, the current is a milliampere. In a lab, how we are observing means the voltmeter, ammeter, there is a one small rotation knob. In this rotation knob, slightly I am increasing 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, like that. Up to the 1.9, there is no changes, slightly changing. After 2, I am taking up to 10 also, 15 also, there is common, it is a constant. Okay. This is for the forward bias. And static or dynamic resistance. Static and dynamic resistance. Static or DC resistance. Simple formula, that is the Ohm's law. Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, then R is equal to V by I. And the dynamic resistance means AC resistance. It is equal to del V by del I. Del V means changing potential divided by changing current. That related in these two things we'll discuss in the problem time. Okay, just to note the formula alone. Next, reverse bias. See here, in reverse bias also, same, the diagram, same circuit, but the connection format only different. Same format, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, like that I'm giving. But in reverse, the voltage is a negative, -1, -2, -3. This is -1, -2, but in this point, -3, this is -4, -4. So up to -1, -2, -3, there is no changes for the current. But -4, the voltage is -4. Then suddenly the current value is increasing. That also constant. -4 means that's all. I'm after also I'm increasing. -5 I'm increasing, but there is no changes. Only -4. That is called as breakdown voltage. Only the current value only increasing. It is called as reverse saturation current. See here, this is current value, -1. This is -2. This is -3. This is -5. But what about the x-axis? It is a constant, -4. That is a breakdown voltage. Clear? Any doubt? Up to in this diagram, if you have doubt, you can ask. 1 minute, I will open your textbook. Everyone take your NCERT textbook. Introduction, classification, next energy band, intrinsic semiconductor, extrinsic semiconductor, p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor, p-n junction. The formation of p-n junction is different. After after the formation, we discussed semiconductor diode, p-n junction forward bias, p-n junction reverse bias. This is the symbol of diode in this diagram. This is the symbol of the diode. This is the normal diagram. The symbol they are asking means you want to mention one triangle and one line. This is the positive, this is negative. Symbol of the PN junction. PN junction or diode, both are the same. In this diagram, you can follow forward bias, reverse bias. And the graph, very, very important. Experimental circuit arrangement in studying VA characteristics of PN junction forward bias and reverse bias, and the VA characteristics of silicon diode. So how to write in this question means first PN junction forward bias. So positive is connected to positive, negative is connected to negative. The definition forward bias. After the definition, you want to draw the circuit diagram. After the circuit diagram and explanation regarding depletion layer, again potential barrier related concept. After that, draw the graph. So graph work completed means again related to graph. See here 0.2 and voltage is 0.2. There is no difference for the current 0.6 between 0.6 to 0.8. That means 0.7. Suddenly it is increasing current value. It is also linear. Next for the reverse, minus 20, minus 40, minus 60, there is no difference. But in between 80 to 100, between 90, in this time suddenly the current value is increasing. But also negative, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. That is the breakdown, reverse saturation current. It is called as breakdown voltage. Completed. Any other doubt? Vignesh, Vimaladitya, Vishal, Subhas, Deshika, Sri Hariprasan, Sri Priyan, Gopika, Shiva, Sasivarnan, Santosh, Sabari, Priyanka, Pranav, Prabha, Nandakishore, Luman, Kavya, Ashwini, Gautam, Pradeep, long time ago, I am seeing your name. Asifa, Aparna, Now don't miss the class. So again, next class I will show you the syllabus. That's all. Remainder only one track is there. Let us see what is rectifier, half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier. Next PN junction special purpose diode. That's all. Lesson is over. So I'll try to complete in this week. No need transistors and all for your syllabus. Transistor, logic gate is not there in your syllabus. No need to copy. Logic gate also not there, but you can prefer as a competitive exam. Logic gate is important. Definitely they are asking one question. Okay. So next one, the example, the VA characteristics of silicon diode in the figure. The calculate the resistance of the diode at ID equal to 15 milliampere and the VD equal to minus 10 volt. Based on the graph, you should take the reading. First one, they are asking ID 50 milliampere. Okay. Now, the current value 20 milliampere, V value 0.8. For how you are saying current value, it is 20 milliampere. See the graph, the maximum value. It is a 20 milliampere. Volt. It is 20 milliampere time. What is the volt? 0.8. Next, I value 10 milliampere. V value 0.7. The between 10 milliampere and the V value 0.7. That are two lines, two slope. Del V by del I. Del V means changing potential divided by changing current. So changing potential del V. See here 0.8 minus 0.7 divided by 20 minus 10. Then you will get 0.1 divided by 10. Simplify that, you will get 10 ohm. Next, for the reverse, V value minus 10. That is the potential. I value minus because of Y dash. So Y dash is a minus 1. Is the 1, that is a minus 1. Then formula V divided by I, 10 divided by 1, you will get, that is a microampere. Milliampere, microampere only, correct. Microampere. Then you will get 1.0 into 10 power 7 ohm. In reverse bias, that is a micro. Forward bias, that is a milli. So don't confuse with what is milliampere, what is microampere. So related question they will ask. That's all. Application of PN junction forward rectifier. It is after the rectifier. We will go and discuss with the special purpose PN junction diode, Gina diode. Next, photodiode, LED, solar cell. That's all. After that, this is your syllabus. Again, I will show you what is your syllabus and all.